Hello traders, today is October 5th, Tuesday. This is an end of day video to show you the results on the Atlas line only for right now in this video. I'll do a follow-up video. I'll try to do as many videos as I can to explain to you a little bit about the market. So first thing, please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker. There are risks involved with trading. Now, when you look at the signals on the Atlas line, a little bit of a recap. We're really looking just for long signals when using the Atlas line. So here, since price is trading above the Atlas line down here, I want to be a buyer primarily. Now, it doesn't mean that you can't sell the market. There's definitely counter trend opportunities or scalping opportunities to the short side. But if you're just looking at the Atlas line, and those of you who have the Atlas line software have the exact same signals, so there's no optimization and there's no other way of saying I have a different signal than you do. If we're looking at a 1 minute chart, 43.1450 was the first signal of the day to go long. Now, a couple things on this here, which is about right over here. When I look at a signal, especially the first signal of the day, I want to make sure that the ATR, the current conditions, are not overly strong. If it's too volatile, it's never a good idea to jump in the market. Wait until it slows down a little bit. So not knowing the future, right? So if you look at this signal and we're going long at about 43.1450, even if you have a little bit of slippage, a tick or so, the current conditions indicate about 3.5 points, 4 points. So this is really what we can expect as far as a move. And this is a really good thing because it's less than 5 points. I say if the market's too volatile, more than 20 ticks, 5 points on the minis, E-minis, let it go. And so the only other concern that I have is how far away we are from the Atlas line. So if this distance on the first signal is too far away, maybe a concern, could be overbought, oversold. That's really rules that we go over during the training and in the video training, live training, and so on, and as well as the course manual for the Atlas line. And now, as I go forward here in time, if I'm thinking 3.5, 4 points, and I say to myself, okay, so let me, even if I entered here, let's say as an example, I want to go for 3.5, 4 points like this. And so as we go forward in time, you see that the market made 3.5, 4 points, 4.5 points actually. So looking at the current conditions to dictate what your target is and how to adjust your stops is incredibly important. You can't have the same target and the same stop on every single trade. So just remember that. Even if you're not using the Atlas line, adjust the way you trade based on the conditions. It's something traders don't really think about. Now, besides that, once again, we don't know if the market's going to be a trending day or not. So it turned out to be a trending day where it just kept on going and going and going. And on a day like this, obviously, if we just keep on buying at every opportunity, whether it's scalping using the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line or another method, any method that you may be using, it's great. So I know that I want to take and focus on primarily long opportunities. Again, since price is trading above the Atlas line, that's where I want to be. And then we have a ton of signals here. So strength trade to go long, pullback and strength trade to go long, that's 2. Pullback and strength trade to go long, that's 3. Another pullback trade, 4, to go long. Another pullback and strength trade, 5, to go long. Another strength trade, 6, to go long. Another pullback and strength trade, 7. Okay, so you get the point. We have a lot of signals here, all to the long side. Can you and should you take every signal? Sure, you can, but I really think that if you limit the amount of signals, if you're already up with 5, 6 points for the day, on a day like this, actually, you should be up over 10 points on the E-mini S&P just following these signals on the Atlas line. I recommend that you stop. Don't continue trading. Shut down the computer, go outside, enjoy the sunshine, and don't focus on anything else because tomorrow's another day. And you can absolutely give back some of the profit that you made if the market starts going sideways or reverses and you start making mistakes. Now, the Atlas line will not give you signals if it's going sideways or flat. The pullback and strength trades will only occur if the market continues to go higher and higher. Again, a good thing. We want to stay out of the flip-flop and the chop. And That's what you're seeing here. And then the market continued to go a little bit higher, so that's why you have here more strength and pullback and strength. So this is the Atlas line results for Tuesday, October 5th. You can check out the Atlas line software at DayTradeToWin.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, reach out, and I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.